yung mga river systems natin, kaya nag-cause siya ng flooding. Okay? So natural causes, we have massive amount of rainfall, plus yung natural topography ng Bicol River Basin, plus yung hydrography natin. So yung tubig, yung pag-flow ng tubig, yung behavior ng tubig, that's what we call hydrography. We go to the man-made causes naman. So according to the Global Forest Watch satellite data, both the Kamsur and Albay provinces already experienced a net loss of tree cover from between 2000 to 2020. So Kamsur and Albay, they used to have really covered forest areas, and they covered more than half of their land area. But in 2010, around 67% sa Kamsur and 69% sa Albay were trimmed down. So 67 to 69% yung natural forest na nawala. Okay, so that's according to the data of the Global Forest Watch. So in 2023, Kamsur lost 156 hectares of natural forest, while Albay lost 29 hectares. So what are the main causes?